Hello, my name is Dragoș from wpdas.com, and in this video I would like to show you how you can recover your admin WordPress password directly from the database. It may be a case that you cannot reset your password over the normal lost your password account, and the only way to get a new password for your admin account is to go directly into the database and insert there the password for the admin account, so you can get access to your WordPress dashboard and start your work. In this video we will see how you can access your database and see your user and password for this. So I have a test site here, wpdas.xyz, and first thing is to go and find out the database credentials, because we will need them to log into the database. So basically you need to go into your website installation folder. I have here CyberPanel installed, so I will use this, but the process should be the same for everything. You just need to go to the file editor. Here I have multiple websites, so I'll go to the file editor for the website that I wanted to have the password resetted. Is this one. Okay. So I will open the file editor right now, file manager, it's called here. So it will bring me to the location where the website is installed. I need to go to public HTML, and in the upconfig file you will find the details used by WordPress to connect to the database. So you can use them to connect to the database if you don't know them already. So here you have the DB name, username and password. I will copy them so I can have them stored somewhere so I can use them. Next, we need to open the PHP admin. In cPanel it should be in the dashboard, default dashboard. Here I have under database is PHP my admin, and we just need to log in with the username and password that we copied previously. I will copy the username, I will copy the password that I have, and I will log in. So the database that it's used, it's this one. It's the same as the username. Here by default you will have the information schema and a test, but if you can, as you can see here, don't have here you have the database information schema details. This is something specific to my SQL, and in here in the database for WordPress you have the WordPress tables, and where you need to go is to up_users, and here you have all the users. So I have a user that is called admin, and we will need to reset the user and password. This is an encoded password, so to change it we just need to go into edit, and in the field user pass choose the MD5 encryption, and here we just put our new password. I will put something like 6ABC. I will just copy it here to have it. Okay, after I set my password, I just hit go, and right now the admin user has the user pass field updated with this new password, and I can use this to log in into my website. So if I go to the website like updoes.xyz, uplogin.com. I should be able to log in with the new password. I'll put admin. I'll put here the password 1 2 3 4 5 6, A capital, B small, C capital, and hit login. And yeah, right now I was able to log into the WordPress dashboard, so I can go to users and maybe reset again the password or create another admin users to avoid losing the password in the future. So like this, you are resetting the password from the PHPMyAdmin. It's easy and it can save you some trouble when you lost your password and your email server it doesn't work, or you don't have a good email address added to your administrator account. Thanks for watching and see you next time.